pang YouTube.
Baka dyan pa discover kay Laila.
Discover.
Ay, paano kayo aalis na
Discover mga ani yung bungal.
Punta naman yung istorya ha. Bukas namin tayo nagulog.
Ang galing ni Laila.
Can't you feel the way of a
Galing talaga ni Laila.
so close but
Magaling ako na naman.
world out.
Takaw-takaw nito kanina pa to.
What I'm trying to say is that I'm racing for you.
Sounds like.
Touch me
Ay, yung kamay, yung kamay.
you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss.
So,
I'm crazy for you.
yeah. Bro,
Kalwalapit.
huling-huli ka sa kamera, uy.
Bro, matawag mo father, bro ka.
Galing-galing ni Laila.
Light on.
Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you. I do I need
Panis.
no
Panis ka nung bungal.
Wala tuloy ako.
Panis ka nung sa bungal.
Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath I'm given to you set me to standing still in time. If you read my mind, you say I'm crazy for you.
Panis ka sa bungal.
Touch me once and you'll know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this.
It's all banyo. Banyo.
You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true.
Panis ka kay Sisa.
Today, mawala kasi nahulog ako eh. Mawala lang. Tara, ligpit na, ligpit na.
Si Usilo, lasing na ba yan? Lasing ba yan?
Ligpit na.
Lasing ka ba, Yads?